By the end of this video, you will know how to file crypto taxes with TurboTax. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening the tax return you want to work on. Once you are inside your return, go to the Federal section, then open Wages and Income. From there, scroll down until you reach Investments and Savings, since that is where TurboTax places cryptocurrency sales and other investment activity. Find the entry labeled Stocks, Cryptocurrency, Mutual Funds, Bonds, Other, then select Start or Revisit next to it. TurboTax will ask whether you had investment income. Select Yes to continue to the section where you can add your crypto information. Next, choose how you want to bring your crypto tax details into TurboTax. You may be able to import directly from a supported exchange, upload your tax documents, or select Type it in myself if you need to enter everything manually. Choose the option that matches the records you have available. When TurboTax shows the investment type screen, select Digital Assets, listed as 1099 DA, and then Continue. On the next screen, enter the name of your crypto exchange or tax provider, such as Coinbase or another platform you used. If TurboTax provides fields for an account number and filer TN, enter those details if they are available in your documents, then continue. You will then be asked whether you received a Form 1099 DA from your exchange. If you did receive one, follow that path and continue entering the related information. If you did not receive one, select No and move forward. Now enter the details for each crypto sale. TurboTax may ask for the investment type, how you acquired the asset, the digital asset name, and the number of units sold. You will also need the acquisition date, the sale date, the proceeds, and the cost basis. If additional fields appear, complete those as prompted. Make sure the dates and amounts match your records before continuing to the next transaction. After you enter the sales, TurboTax may ask about special situations. This can include sales expenses or worthless digital assets. If none of those situations apply to you, select None of these apply and continue. TurboTax may also ask you to confirm or update your cost basis. Review what is shown on screen and compare it with your records. If anything needs adjustment, update it before moving on. Once the information is accurate, continue. Before leaving this section, review all of your cryptocurrency transactions carefully. Check that each sale matches your records, including asset names, dates, proceeds, and cost basis. If everything looks correct, continue with the rest of your tax return in TurboTax. Your cryptocurrency sales are now entered into TurboTax and included in your tax return.